I'm going to help you out because the way my insurance is set up, we don't cover slips and falls. All right. Ebony, you're going to stand down there, and you're going to look at me. So before we start, Ebony, where you from, what school, what you do?
Northeast Wisconsin Technical College.
Okay. It must be one more of y'all out there because she said, hey.
There's 3 of us.
3, okay.
Well, 4 of us.
4, okay, you don't teach math then. No, I'm saying she said, I teach math, and then she says 2, no, 3, no, 4. Okay, forget it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. So, Ebony, here's the key. Here's the key. The key, Ebony, is I'm going to throw you a ball. And what difference does it make? Now you're sounding like a physics teacher. No, she's trying to measure the aerodynamics from her to me. No, this is what's going to happen. It's a ping pong ball. It will not hurt you. But here's the thing, though, Ebony. You can catch it any way you want to catch it, 1 hand, 2 hands, but you cannot use your body as a shield. And Ebony, for every ball you catch, they are going to give you a round of applause that sounds a whole lot like a 10. What are we looking for? What from them?
11.
An 11. I told you she don't teach math. All right, so the first test, Ebony, can I throw? Now she's trying to question my integrity. But Ebony, the first test is not for you. The first test is for them. I'm going to pretend to throw you the ball, and we're going to see if we can get a 10 out of them. If not, or an 11. If not, you have to tell them to do it over, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Catch it. Pretend to catch. She's not a good actress either. We're going to try it one more time. I'm going to pretend to throw you the ball, and they're going to give you an 11. Catch it. All right. Party on. That side is quiet. Well, turn around that way, Ebony, and you keep your eye on that side. It's the guy with his hands just like this. That's who we want to clap. 1, 2, 3. All right, here's the real deal. Come up, Ebony. Now let's go back to the other side. Yeah, I want them to see you.
Okay.
She's such a lady.
Can I put it down to get the other ones, or should I?
You can do whatever you want to do, Ebony. This is your world. This ain't the trophy generation. She don't get a clap for almost making it. Take y'all claps back. Last one.
A little higher.
Wow. Ebony, you are fantastic. Can I have my ball back? So, Ebony, put these on. No, I'll get those. No. Okay, well, whatever. Just like a teacher. You're scared?
No, I said I'm sorry.
That's okay. Hey, Ebony, those goggles represent your unconscious bias. Here's the thing about an unconscious bias. It don't let you do what you used to do as easy when you don't have them. Now that you have them on, Ebony, how many of me do you see?
I see 2.
I'm the one in the middle. You ready, Ebony?
Yes.
Ebony, are you locked in?
Yes.
No, you don't sound it. Are you locked in?
Yes.
All right, Ebony.
Just, bring it high.
Bring it high.
Right here.
Okay. I was just testing you, Ebony. You ready? This time when the ball gets close, you all can yell, catch, okay? Let's get it! That's good, Ebony. Let's give Ebony a round of applause. You can take them off. That's good. Let's give Ebony a round of applause. Give me a hug, Ebony. Are you in a sorority? Which one?
I won't say it.
I know already. Bye. That goes to show you that with the right coaching, all of us as a community can overcome our unconscious bias.